What's good? What year you said this was again?
2012.
2012. You said it's not switching gears. That's it.
Stuck in neutral.
It's stuck in neutral. That's the only problem.
Yeah.
But it. Oh, like by the shifter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you got the zip tie on it?
Yeah. So it can roll.
Okay, because it's stuck in gear. But it'll crank up and everything, though.
I ain't cranking up in a minute. I rolled it. No, right that bitch. That bitch switched.
Right.
That bitch cut off. I'm like, hell no.
But the main thing was the gear was
That
stuck.
bitch was stuck. I was racing my dog. And I just put that launch control on. That's what fucked me up.
Right here, right.
I just changed that motherfucker. When I changed, I don't know what happened. That bitch got stuck in neutral.
But ever since then, you never tried to crank it. So you don't even know if it'll crank right now. Okay, let's pull it off then. Let's pull it off. Let's see what's going on. And he says 2012, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn, hold on. Yeah, it's the car lot. Michael's Auto, over there.
Feel like it still got good compression. But I'm just gonna run through everything. You know how to do a tear down, see what's going on inside there. So we can know, then, you know. But that's the only problem, it's not switching at all though. But it switched, but hold up, it's switching. So it switched to every gear? So if you take this off, what it's gonna do if you take the zip tie off?
No. I understand that. I'm just telling you. So if you have to get down with your job, then
So you said it's stuck though.
Alonzo. Yeah.
Sound like it was switching though. I know that zip tie tight though. There you go. Alright.
Yeah. They probably told me around 5 o'clock. So I had to get it there yesterday.
That should be neutral.
It's not doing it.
Oh, so it's not going in neutral at all.
But
Okay.
I think they told me good. Where's that shit at? Yes.
okay.
The neutral sensor?
All right.
Right. Oh, the sensor?
Yeah.
But see, that's the thing. The sensor wouldn't have nothing to do with it, like not going in neutral while the bike is off.
Yeah.
Cause that's just a sensor.
Look.
I'm a fucking 4-stroke. I'm a 2-stroke person.
Look. All right, cool. Yeah.
But that's the only problem, you know. Just gonna run through it for you. Take care of you.
It's a
Not bad.
F350 truck.
Yeah, it's definitely not going in neutral though.